Let's be real, blogging takes time. But if you're a nutritionist coach or a food blogger or just someone running a wellness brand, you don't always have that time. That's where autoblogging.ai makes life easier. Do you see this article right here? Yes, this was written in under 3 minutes. I did no typing and no research, and it's fully structured with visuals, with SEOs added in the place, and even FAQs included in the bottom. Now, if you want to write a content like this, let me show you exactly how. So once you log in into autoblogging.ai, look at your left panel. In the quick section, you'll find three different options: wizard, single, and bulk generate. But today we'll go with wizard. It's beginner friendly and it guides you through everything step by step. So no guessing of what to do. It's like a AI is walking beside you. Now, article title. Here I'm going to type something very catchy. Let's say how to eat healthy without giving up on pizza, pasta, or pancakes. Now, if you see, this works because it's catchy and relatable. The AI knows exactly what kind of tone and the content to generate. Language. Now I'm going to go with English here, but autoblogging supports 30 options and gives you 30 language options. So if your audience is based in Spain, France, or even speaking in Hindi region, you can pick the language they read in. Article length, I'm going to choose medium here because we are giving a helpful content, but it doesn't need to be a long medical journal. But here's a quick decide. If you're writing something about snackable tip, then and for a perfect quick read, short is the best option, and long is something more. You're giving a deep dive, like a full scale guides or a SEO heavy piece. So here I'm going to go with medium. Article type, I'm going to pick informative because this blog is educational and it's helping the reader change habits while still enjoying their favorite foods. But a quick heads up, listicle is great when the content is organized as numbers. For example, top 10 guilt-free snacks. And places is perfect if you're writing about a healthy restaurant in a particular city. And service bar landing page is if you're promoting your nutritionist service or online coaching program. So informative. The tone of the article, I'm going to choose second person here, so the blogs talk directly to the reader. And here's rest two options. First person is like a more personal journal, and third person is more neutral and formal. So I'll pick second person. Now, writing style, I'm going to go with conversational here because we want this to feel like a friendly advice and not a textbook. But here's another quick decide of what you can go with. Auto is something, it sounds it actually decides AI the tone for you depending on the topic. Less AI words sounds more human like your actual voice. Premium style one adds SEO depth and it's great for ranking. Snippet optimizer formats for Google featured snippets. Witty adds a little bit of humor in your blog, and professional is more polished tone and perfect for medical or a brand website. So conversational. Now here I'm going to tick on all the four boxes. Alright. Intents optimized article. The AI makes your article more SEO friendly with better flow with better keywords. And FAQs is it automatically adds real question people are searching on Google. AI images will add visual images to your content, and infographics is a quick visuals like comparison or a smart swaps like a good chart. So it keeps the blog engaging, so you don't have to upload anything. Just turn all these on and the AI will do its job by itself. SERP analysis. Now, if you really want your blog to rank on Google, this is where the magic happens. Autoblogging will scan the top ranking blogs for the exact topic. It then follows a similar structure, tone, and heading so your blog matches what's already ranking. I'm just going to enable this. In the source context box, you can write how you need your article to be. And for the SERP selection, you can also select the country where you need your article to rank on top. And I'm going to click on all the four options here. Let me give you a quick heads up of what these do. Outline from competition is AI mirrors the layout of top performing blogs. External link adds trusted nutritionist sites. It builds authority to your blog. Key takeaways, it adds a summary at the end so your reader can skim and still learn. And YouTube video will add healthy recipe videos or a relevant food recipe videos in your blog. AI proofreading. Now, if you want an extra polish, just enable this on and give a guideline. So, for example, you can write here the article should be final cleanup without sounding robotic. So you can just give instruction as per your choice. Internal linking. Now, this is super useful if you already have other blog posts on your site. Just enable this and paste your domain here, and autoblogging will automatically create links inside your new article and any related ones you've published before. So it has better SEO and it has more time on the site, and there's no manual linking. You just have to enable this and paste your domain. Now, if you want a real editor to double check everything, just enable this and leave a note. Let's say make it beginner friendly, or double check food facts, or keep it fun. So yes, also this does user credit, but you can always buy them inside your autoblogging dashboard whenever needed. Now, once all that is done, just hit on generate article. Here there's an option of history, click and just scroll down and click on the view like icon here. And that's it. Your article is ready with photo posted, tip structured, SEO banked in, and even FAQs and infographics are already in the place. So, here's a quick tip to save time next time around. Want to write blog even faster? Just go on the quick mode and single, and it's basically just fewer clicks but with the same steps as it was in Wizard. And also, if you want to write 20, 30, even 50 or 100 blogs in one go, you can always use the bulk generate option. Just upload the list of topic here, and so auto blogging will do them all, and you can even auto post straight to the WordPress or plan a whole month of content at once. So whether you are a food blogger, a nutritionist, or just someone helping people to eat better without giving up the good stuff, autoblogging.ai makes it easy. And if you're too busy managing clients or growing your brand, we also offer a done-for-you blog service while we write your content and you focus on what you do at the best. Now, if this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your next blog ideas in comments.